So today I wanted to show you one of the progressive exercise. This is again one of these exercises that is going to work on the stereognostic sense, which is that sense of knowing the object without seeing it, that our brain has registered. And so this is the refinement of this sense, the stereognostic sense. This is a progressive exercise. We can start at different levels, and this is the third level with some smaller objects. So this is for a 3.5-year-old child. Really, we want to make sure the child has stopped putting things into their mouths and such, because these are pretty small. So again, 3.5. I invite the child to either use a blindfold or to close their eyes for this exercise. Oftentimes the blindfold is just a little bit better, because they do tend to want to peek at what they're doing. But basically we are going to feel these, and as we feel them, we're going to put them in one of the bowls. And then we are going to try to find its matching pair. Oh, this doesn't feel the same. I'm going to put it in another bowl. This feels different. So I would put it in another one. Oh, this feels smooth. And so on until everything is felt and paired up. And so this is done with your eyes closed. So this is I've paired everything up, and the beauty, and this was quite a challenge even for me, because these are very similar in size, but the texture is different between these. And the beauty of this material, and most all Montessori material, is the fact that the material itself is self-correcting. So that if there's an error that happens, for example, had I done this, it is visually correcting. I can see when I open my eyes that, oops, I misplaced this one. And that is the beauty of a lot of this material, is that it is, once you've shown the child, they can repeat on their own and really refine this sense. This is also, one of the activities, but you can increase the challenge by also having maybe smaller ones. These are lentils, for example. I've used different types of rice or different types of seeds. You could also have maybe shells for an exercise beforehand, or I've done it maybe with nuts. And it's just this idea of the stereognostic sense and refining that. So this is a progressive exercise for a child around 3.5 years of age.